Good morning everybody, welcome to day 3, or is it 2? It's like 2.5 of New York. Today we're just about to head down and I think we're going, what's it called?
Highline walk.
Highline walk. I have actually no idea what this is. Ross knows a little bit, but I guess I will see. I'm keeping it a surprise when I get there. We're also going to the NBC Studio tour today, which I'm really excited about. I can geek out all like the film stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited and I need a coffee so bad. Also, if I sound a little bit manly, I feel like I've woken up with a little bit of a cold, so I'm a bit gruff. And this is my outfit of the day. So I thought I'd go really casual today, and because it's not as sunny, I won't wear a dress. And I've got my jacket. I was going to call it a jumper. My brain isn't working today. This is from Boohoo. I've got this top underneath is from New Look. It has these gorgeous tortoiseshell buttons on it. My necklace is a Libra necklace from Primark. My Cluse watch, my Zara bag, which is the only bag I've bought, and then my Topshop Joni jeans and my Forever 21 boots. Let's go. So we've arrived at the Highline walk and it's actually boiling up here, but basically what it's turned out to be is this regenerated area. As you can see, like a big like pathway, and we're raised above New York, so you get like really nice views, and there's like old buildings, new buildings. It's really good. I'm just hoping there's somewhere where we can get some food.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun.
Guys, Ross has ice cream and I can't get anything. Let's have a look. He's got an ice cream sandwich.
Stuck to the bag.
That looks really good. Enjoy. I'm very jealous. We're going in. Found this place called Tostalo and they do a vegano panini, so I'm going to try it. I'm hoping they'll be able to take the mushrooms out for me, but it sounds really good. This is looking so good to me right now because I haven't eaten. So this is the vegano. It's got artichoke, pesto, and the smell. The smell is absolutely incredible. I cannot wait to eat this.
Till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing.
So next on the list, we're headed to the NBC Studios. I'm pointing with my Starbucks drink, but here we go. I'm really excited.
If you're looking for some crazy,
Oh, that's funny because there was one behind you as well.
It's so American right now, look. What's yours?
NBC Sports.
So I'm in the NBC Studios shop and I found this friend's bag. I really like it. I think it's really cute. It's $36. $36. I can't even get my head around that. It's so cute though. Okay, so we have just finished the NBC Studio tour. Oh, I took my badge off. We got a little badge and I wasn't actually allowed to film in there, which is such a shame because it was actually really, really cool. But we got to go around all of the studios, like Saturday Night Live, all kinds of stuff. Dwayne The Rock Johnson had been in some of those studios, so I was kind of fangirling a little bit, even though I didn't know many of the shows. And now we've popped into Buy Chloe at the Rockefeller Center, just got some fries, and we're actually can't talk. We're gonna head up to the top of the rocks soon. Kind of regretting not bringing a jacket because I just have a feeling it's going to be really cold up there. But I'm really looking forward to it. It's 70 floors. Is it 70 floors? 70 floors, so not quite as high as the Empire State, but yeah, this chip's huge as well. I don't know if they do this in the UK, but they have beet ketchup, which is pink. It's so cute, so Instagrammable. I'm also really wanting to try their Chipotle aioli, so I'll just try that now. I have no idea what Chipotle aioli tastes like. I don't even know what aioli is, so nice. It's actually really nice. I prefer that to the beet ketchup.
Why think of what flavour is?
Oh, it's really spicy. It's still good. They have a Christmas store that sells Christmas stuff all year round.
And they're playing Christmas music.
And they're playing Christmas music. This is amazing. I feel really weird right now. Like, It's June.
It feels like Christmas.
It does feel like Christmas. There's coffee cups. That looks like the van from Breaking Bad. I don't like animatronics, they scare me a little
Well, that
bit.
one's terrifying.
Yeah, that one really looks real. Look guys. She actually looks real. It's kind of creepy.
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true.
Good morning everybody, welcome to New York day 3. Today we are just about to head out to go to Times Square. It's really hot today. As you can see, the sun is really bright. Ross also wants to go to a shop near the Empire State Building, and then we are headed to Brooklyn tonight. We haven't actually ventured out of Manhattan, so that should be exciting, and then I think we're going on a night out. So again, trying to pack in as much as we can into the day. We've only got 2 days left and there's still quite a lot to see. I mean, Statue of Liberty tomorrow, super exciting. But yeah, let's go to Times Square. And just a quick outfit of the day. So I wore this dress the other day. I actually only wore, I've only bought 2 dresses and the other one blows up quite easily in the wind, which isn't great. So I'm wearing this one again, but I love it. It's from Zara. I've got my pink clear frame glasses on from, which are actually really high above my ear, there we go, from ASOS. I've got my Zara bag and my Missguided Western boots. So I think we're headed towards the Disney store and Forever 21. I do actually want to get another dress because I'm just stuck in this dress. Here's Ross. And yeah, we've got about 40 minutes before we're then going to head out to Brooklyn. I've just found this dress. I really like it. I love the belted detail, so I'm just going to see. I think that's actually really cute. I really love the belt. Okay, so I found this top that I really like. It's basically kind of like the top version of my dress, but I really like it, and I like how it gathers at the bottom as well. So we just went home and did a quick outfit change, so I'm now in a top and some jeans. But we're down in the subway, and this is actually my first time on an underground train for a really long time, like London, anywhere. Oh my god, I hate that.
And when you wake up, you know what you need to do. Just close your eyes. Someone's been waiting for you. Just
Okay, so we have arrived in Brooklyn. I made it on the underground. I was actually really scared. So we are currently just outside what is called the Brooklyn Brewery. I think me and Ross are going to head to, are we going to Mabel's? There's a bar called, oh no, it's the banquet hall. We're trying to find a bar, we're looking for a bar just to get some cocktails. Brooklyn's a lot quieter than I thought, and there's an Instagram model just taking pictures behind me as well. And yeah, there's loads of graffiti, but it's like, kind of reminds me of like Camden in London. So we've come into a bar called the Whiskey Brooklyn, and I've gone for the Brooklyn tea, which is raspberry vodka, lemon, sour and iced tea, and it smells amazing. Cheers! Me and Ross both got the same thing, and he says it tastes really good. That's so nice. Oh my gosh. Guys, we ordered the fries and they are absolutely gigantic. This is meant for one person as well, so Ross, you're gonna need to help me. We've just come to the realization that we were expecting an English portion. This is definitely an American portion.
light as a feather, light as a feather, lucid dreaming over Tokyo.